The word that introduces our Parsha this week, Nitzavim, is an unusual form of the word to stand. It means to stand firm. It means to be all put together in a state where there isn't subdivision in terms of our intention, in terms of our direction. We are firmly planted as one unit. And yet in the next verse, the Torah goes on and enumerates the bits and pieces, the different aspects of Jewish peoplehood, the different professions, the different artisans and the like. How is it that the opening sentence has within it the notion of solidly being firm, standing as one unit, and then immediately goes on into subdivisions? But that's true of all things in life. Take an apple. An apple is one cohesive whole. Put it under an electron microscope and you'll see all the various elemental aspects that ultimately make up things like taste, color, shape, whatever might be the case. Same with Jewish people. In other words, we are one whole. We're made up of bits and pieces, but only when the bits and pieces work in concert with each other, when we are in a state of Nitzavim, firmly held together as one unit, only then will we as a Jewish people survive successfully and qualitatively. So make sure you stand firm with all of us.